Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix message sending problem on Messenger. So let's get into it. Number 1. Update your Messenger app to the latest version. An outdated Messenger app can cause issues with account authentication. Facebook regularly releases Messenger updates to add new features and fix bugs. You can open the Google Play Store to update Messenger to the latest version. Number 2. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. You should first ensure an active internet connection in your phone. You can also reset network settings on your phone to fix common glitches. If the issue persists, enable and disable the airplane mode. Android users can swipe down from the home screen to toggle on the airplane mode. Number 3. Disable Facebook Messenger's data saver mode. An active data saver mode in Messenger can be the major factor behind the app not sending messages. Open Messenger, tap your profile icon, scroll down and select Data Saver. Disable the data saver mode. Number 4. Restart the Messenger app. You can force close Messenger to troubleshoot common misbehaves. Long tap the Messenger app icon and open the App Info menu. Select Force Stop and open the app again. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.